That's a problem. We are missing our caliper bolt right here. It's gone. We got one down there. It's gone right here though. I even Loctited these things and it's just gone. All right, so that means I'm just gonna have to go find another bolt and put her on in there. So let's go do that. Oh yeah. I ran to the local store, picked me up another bolt. I'm hoping it's the same one. They didn't really have a thing for me to test, so I couldn't see, but they look pretty close. So we'll see if I can just start this on and yeah. Need like a fucking 100 pounds of foot torque. 19. Alright, she ain't coming off anymore. Yeah, alright. So we just had a little mishap. It's alright. Look on the inside there, yeah. Nice little clean up of metal right there. So right about there. That's all you gotta do. You know, not everybody's got this automatic torque reader, right? So you're just gonna have to guess. I've gotten pretty good at guessing, I'd say. It's right there, 100 foot-pounds of torque. Now we're good to go. Try that shit.
All right, what is up, guys? I'm gonna give a little backstory to what just happened beforehand because it's probably not gonna make much sense to you guys because I didn't really explain it. But the opening clip is a car meet that we go to every Saturday, or that we're going to be going to every Saturday. That's called Strats. That's just a near car meet around us. You know, we go out and we hang out over there. But on my way home from Strats, I realized a problem with my truck, and my front tire was vibrating very badly, and I didn't know what it was about. And you know, I heard a can fall out of my suspension area on my way home. I figured that was it. And then the noise kept continuing, but it was only when I was in reverse. And so it ended up being that I came home, you know, and I noticed the brake caliper up against this wheel over here. Like it was up in there. And I mean, there's a mark from where it scraped all the way around it, if you can see that right there. But yeah. So it was scraping on the inside of the wheel only when I was in reverse, because obviously the wheel was going backwards against where the caliper was trying to go. If I was going forward, it just kicked it forward. But I noticed that, and then next morning I took the wheel off, as you guys saw, and realized there was no bolt in the top of the caliper bracket. And I Loctited the bolts and I put them in there, so I know they were there. But I guess I just didn't tighten it hard enough or something, and it disappeared. So that bolt was gone. I went and I got a replacement and secured it back onto the rotor. And I think we're in business now. I've been driving around for a couple days and we haven't had any problems with it. So, you know, that's just the backstory to that. But yeah, I just wanted to hop on here and tell you guys what happened exactly, because it didn't really make sense to just cut into, like, you know, the car going up or whatever, the wheel coming off. But yeah, basically that's what's gonna happen. That's what happened in this video, guys. So make sure you like this video, subscribe for more videos, and I will see you guys all in the next one.